水壩發電廠啊。
When it gets all the way on the other side, it's only about this big around, and it's all flints. So as the water
住
goes
緊呢個嘅室外啦，好深㗎，將前執部機落去。去下吊車啦，呢度有多嘅整緊嘅 Jerry 同埋德裕喺度影相。
We never ever do that.
行過嚟啦。
That's just
你要睇到嗰個 Colorado River 喺上面嘅，跟住咧就落咗個 dam 嗰度落嚟呢度，你見到啊？
見到嘅，哇！
先睇住 Colorado River。
邊度係 Colorado River？
呢度上面嗰啲咪 Colorado River 咯，跟住個 dam 嗰度。
嗰個就係 Colorado River 咯喎，佢哋。嗰個 film 啊，呢個咪好多 member。跟住咧就啲水就落咗嚟呢度啦。真係而家入嚟啦。攰唔攰啊？
好熱好熱好熱！喺呢度有啲冷氣。喺 China 嗰個 dam 係邊度啊？第時。
第時。
我呢度有相睇。
堤壩嘅兩個紀念像啦，唔知做乜，手機起。近啲睇下先。而家咧就因為有啲成個湖咁樣，係咪？好多地方都靠呢度發電㗎。就另一個嘅入口啦。嗰個咧就參觀。呢位伯伯咧用嗰個咧就同我哋嗰個差唔多，佢好開心，見到我哋用嗰個舒服機。 點解咁窿嘅？咪嗰啲車嘅。
That's why I had to stop my ship. Look at that. Whoa. Now, all that water sitting in Lake Mead is called potential energy. Now, well, at the base of the intake jar, like I said, a penstock, and all the pressure pushing down from water, and by gravity, water flows through the penstock 10 to 12 miles an hour. Now it becomes close to the other side of the dam, where it meets up with the ladder.
You guys see? Shirley 遮住咗啦你。我哋咧，
If you're interested.
到咗呢個。